Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use Windows Backup on Windows 1123H2. Chapter 1. Create Windows Backup on Windows 1123H2. To start, enter Backup in the search. Click on Windows Backup. In this window, you can see the name of the PC and the date of the last backup. Now you can navigate through the different options, folders, apps, settings to activate or deactivate the elements to be backed up. Remember that if an automatic backup has already been made, you will see the legend "A Backup Up." After this, click on Backup. Here you will see the backup process start. After that, you can see the real-time status of this backup. Now it is possible to expand the section. In this, you will see the status of each item in your backup. When finished, you will find the date on which this backup was made. Chapter 2. Restore Windows Backup on Windows 1123H2. To restore the backup, a clean installation of Windows 11 is required due to the development of this backup. To start, select the region where you are located. After that, choose the system and keyboard language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now wait for updates to be checked for and downloaded. Then to apply this, you will see the system reboot. After this, assign a name to the PC. After that, Windows will restart again. Then click on Setup for personal use. Now click on Sign In. After that, enter your email and password. You must wait for the session to start. Here you can see the PC on which the backup was created. Click Restore from this PC. You must wait for each section to restore. Next, create an access PIN for your account. Now confirm the usage permissions in Windows 11. After this, configure the different options offered by the wizard according to your needs. Again, you can see that available updates are being searched. It is time to act with the backup copies. First, you must wait for the configuration to be downloaded. After this, wait for everything to be installed for a proper user experience. To finish, the system must be rebooted. Now the updates will be installed on the PC. Here you will wait for the initial installation parameters to be configured. Finally, you can access the restored system from the backup. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.